So good afternoon everybody. Myself Acharya Vishwendra. Today we shall discuss NCRT line to line questions and the topic is radioactivity. So let's begin. So question is in the above question the fragment products are. So these are radioactive nuclei, so second will be correct. Next is the fragment product emits beta particles, second will be correct. Next is in the above question energy released per fission is of the order of, so it is of the order of 200 mega electron volt. Next is 4x binding energy per nucleon is 7.6 mega electron volt. YZ is 8.5. वैल्यू ऑफ Q इज, तो Q यहाँ पे आ जाएगा आपका बाइंडिंग एनर्जी ऑफ प्रोडक्ट माइनस बाइंडिंग एनर्जी ऑफ रिएक्टेंट. तो प्रोडक्ट में आ जाएगा 120 इंटू 8.5 Y के लिए प्लस 120 इंटू 8.5 Z के लिए माइनस 240 इंटू 7.6. तो इसको अगर आप सॉल्व करेंगे तो ये 216 मेगा इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट आ जाएगा. फर्स्ट विल बी करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट इज डिसइंटीग्रेशन एनर्जी इन फिशन फर्स्ट अपीयर्स एज, तो फर्स्ट अपीयर्स एज द काइनेटिक एनर्जी of the fragment and the neutron. So third is correct over here. Next is in this disintegration energy finally appears as mostly. So finally it appears as heat. Next, source of energy in a nuclear reactor is, so nuclear fission is the source. Next, energy in an atom bomb is, so this is uncontrolled nuclear fission. Second is correct. Next is in nuclear fission reaction there is release of extra neutrons आ जाएगा. Next, on an average how many neutrons are released per fission? So on an average 2.5 neutrons are released. फर्स्ट आ जाएगा इसमें. नेक्स्ट इज इन द अबव क्वेश्चन average number of neutrons released per fission is a fraction because, yes, because in some reaction 2 and in some reaction 3 neutrons are released. The first is correct. Next, atomic energy program in India was launched in around, so it was launched at the time of independence. So it was around 1947. So next is atomic energy program in India was launched under the leadership of, so it was under the leadership of Homi Jahangir Bhabha. Next is the first nuclear reactor was called Apsara. Next is the first nuclear reactor in India went critical on, so it went critical on August 4, 1956. First one will be correct. Next is the source in the first Indian nuclear reactor was, it was enriched uranium. First is correct. Next moderator used was water. Next Cyrus stands for, So it stands for Canada, India, Research, US. First is correct. Next is Cyrus was constructed in the year. So it was constructed in the year 1960. Next, Cyrus was a 40 megawatt reactor. First is correct. Next is Cyrus used enriched uranium as a fuel or natural uranium as a fuel. So obviously enriched uranium as a fuel. Sorry, यहाँ पे enriched uranium नहीं, natural uranium was used as a fuel. So second is correct over here. Next is moderator used in Cyrus was, it was heavy water. So second is correct over here. Next is Apsara and Cyrus spurred research in a wide area of. Uh, so both are there, basic nuclear science and the applied nuclear science. So third is correct over here. Next is an important milestone of atomic energy program in India was uranium plant, plutonium plant at Trombay. So it was a plutonium plant at Trombay. Second is correct over here. Next is plutonium plant at Trombay shared in the technology of fuel reprocessing, fuel enrichment, fuel collection. So fuel reprocessing was done. Fuel reprocessing means separating the products into the fissile, which can be again used for nuclear reactions, and the waste material. So fuel processing was there. Next is fuel reprocessing means obviously separating useful material from the spent fuel. So first is correct over here. Next is research reactors in India are. So these all are research reactors. Zerlina, Purnima, Dhruva and Kamini. So 4 is correct over here. So India's first large scale reactor that uses U-233 as fuel is Kamini. So this is Kamini, first is correct over here. Next is primary objective of a research nuclear reactor is. So primary objective is research on different aspects of nuclear science. Second is correct. Next is fuel used in Kamini was. It used uranium 233 as the fuel. Next is research reactors are also an excellent source of variety of isotopes. It's a radioactive isotopes which are produced. Next is main objective of Indian atomic program are safe and reliable electric power, self-reliant in nuclear technology. So both are over there. India has limited reserves of uranium, fairly abundant. It is relatively limited reserves of uranium. Next is India has adopted. So it has adopted a three-stage strategy. So second is correct over here.